wasted too much of my time. What's your dad think? I want you to be mine. Get away from me. It's been days just stuck in my head and I want you gone now. Wanna hit you so bad, put on my strength in my fist then knock you out. And when you're lying down, I'ma be about to spit in your face, but look how my eyes still. Do I look like I suffer? Do I look like a pigeon watching you strucker? Never guess what, sucker. I go through this and we'll come out being tougher. Take a deep breath cause it's gonna hurt. Never meant to harm you, but it was a first. And as the devil told me you would be cursed. If you have a bad laugh already, well it would be worse that. What happens when you do something wrong? You reap what you sow, let's but sing it along. I could've just held the night until dawn. Lecturing you is not so bad at all. You told me a lot and I won't waste it all. Fortunately there's my mate alcohol trying to help me the best way he can. You can see clearer after some wrong. Can you only realize what you lost, jerk? Do you see that blondie over there, mercs? I wrote the two of you in the dirt. Doesn't even have hump, but it's make her twerk. And does not even have a brain. Come on, look at me and say my name. Look like she been knocked down by a train. I'd never make that mistake again. Trying to get fine.